Hello children, welcome to today's English online class. Yes children, in this class, let us see a new lesson, that is lesson number 30, A Thirsty Crow from Grammar Part. Okay children, page number 62. Let us see this one. Look at the above pictures. Now choose the correct word from the box given below and complete the story. Yes, children, you know this story. This is the story of a thirsty crow. Right, children? So we should complete this story here. Below they have given. We should complete the story by seeing the picture and by choosing the correct word from this box. Okay, children. First, let us see the picture here. So in this picture, the first picture you can see, it's a picture, right? Or pot you can call, and this is a crow. You can see some pebbles here. Okay, in the second picture, so this crow is putting the pebbles into the picture, right? And next, here in this last picture, you can see the crow is drinking the water from the picture. Right, children? So let us see some words here in the box. Let us see the words. Beak, came, drank, pebbles, picture, plan, put, thirsty, tried, water. So let us complete the story now. Once there was a dash crow. Once there was a what crow, children? This is a thirsty crow, right? So we should write once there was a thirsty crow. He found a picture of dash. What? He found a picture of water. He dashed to drink the water, but there was little water in the dash. What, children? See here. He dashed to what? He tried to drink the water, but there was little water in the, what is this? Picture. Let us write the answer. He tried to drink the water, but there was little water in the picture. His dash could not reach the water. His, what, children? Beak could not reach the water. Next. Soon he thought of a wise dash. What? Soon he thought of a wise plan. He brought some dash. What? He brought some. What, children? In the picture you can see. What are these? What are these? Pebbles. Very good. Pebbles and dash them into the picture. Pebbles and put them into the picture. The water level dash up. The water level, see here, the water level, what, children? Came up, right? The water level came up. The crow dashed the water and quenched his thirst. The crow, what, children? Drank the water and quenched his thirst. Okay, children. So like this, we should write. Let us read this once. Once there was a thirsty crow. He found a pitcher of water. He tried to drink the water, but there was little water in the pitcher. His beak could not reach the water. Soon he thought of a wise plan. He brought some pebbles and put them into the pitcher. The water level came up. The crow drank the water and quenched his thirst. Okay, children. So, this is about lesson number 30, A Thirsty Crow. Read this one and write this one neatly. Okay, children. Have a good day. Take care.